in the streets emgaqweni.
The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry emgaqweni, but those of the participants.
Welcome to yet another exciting episode of The Streets emgaqweni with me, Tessa the Englishman, Umlungu Mnyama, alongside Inkunzi Malanga. Inkunzi Malanga, all day, every day, 7 days of the week. That tells you of a different perspective view. I'll tell you for one.
Yeah, Futumtala. Anyabo, Yalazita. Welcome to In the Streets emgaqweni. We are broadcasting live at Afghanistan Park in Aled. Unjani Put?
I'm fantastic. And how are you, man?
Uvuke kanjani? Siqale lapho ndoda.
Well, I had a decent night rest.
Yeah.
And, to be quite honest, we thank the Lord for always being with us and waking us up in the morning and keeping us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nami ngiyabonga mfethu ukuthi uze ku space sami In the Streets emgaqweni. Finally mfethu. Manje siya postpone izolo kumina ngabe shooting. Yanet.
You know, I mean, let's be quite honest. When you have a lot of work that you need to do, you need to cover a lot of basics.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting week in the world and space of football.
Facts,
Bafana Bafana are looking to then at least get 3 points for themselves. We've seen Orlando Pirates doing a fantastic job. Mamelodi Sundowns dropping points. Kaizer Chiefs also wanting to build momentum. Coming back from the international break, you know, Bafana having two crucial, of course, encounters. But for me, thank you for having me. I'd like to greet all the viewers as well at home. Thank you for having me on your immaculate, wonderful and sensational show.
Ngiyabonga futhi. If ngiqale ngisine ngiyakuza ukuthi when you speak like English yakho ufluent. Awukhulumi njengana ukuthi we are flow so and isibongo igama uhlezi isibongo amathebula.
Yeah.
English into uyithatha because of ngokwazi kwami umuntu olayikazi. English like a clean so uyithatha va ukhulela va and why fluent when it comes to English.
I was born in Lady Extension 2. That's where I was raised. And I went to Riboni Primary School, not far from where I stay in Lady Extension 2. And then my parents saw a different aspect in the sense of sending me to Lenasia. That's where I went to El Dorado Park Primary School. And then on my grade 3 year, that's when I took initiative. In fact, they took initiative to then take me to Rudach Primary School. That's where I got myself intact with English, and that's where I went on and then did a proper introspection of learning English, speaking English, articulating English.
Wow.
And a lot of people then from there were going to John Orr Technical High School, and then of course going to Boston College. That's when things, you know, became even much more. Yeah, that's it.
H1 O, if I'm not mistaken, is correct. He listens activate.
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay, one of my friends begafunda because of bengokubona ikid isponsor iVets when it comes to football, or it's just because of nabo makhelwane beVets. So yonke into eniyenza eVets stadium, Vets everything because bengokubheka nekeep yabhala Pitvest, yabona Pitvest Wits, yonke into yeni ibhalwa kanjalo.
Yeah, at first it was Investec, and then it became Pitvest, and then a lot of players from John Orr Technical High School were spotted from there. That's when they went and played for Vets University. Others then, you know, enrolled in Vets University after their matric. But we took other initiatives because of the media that we are most certainly are in the world of football, becoming a radio presenter and becoming a football analyst and a commentator. So we went to Boston media campus.
Ngiyakuzwa bhuti. Bethu ungangikhami isilungu ithengile it's only 5 gig. So ngifuna ukwazi bamathebula. Ukhulela enaledi extension, is it extension 2 angithi?
Yeah, extension 2.
Extension 2 ukhulela dawo out nje. Umuntu ongakwazi mfethu uyakhula. Yabona intwana lezi la surround khona dlala ibhola bondalo nani. At that age kandalo I think undalo is like 5. When your love for football iqale at what age for when?
I'll be quite honest and frank with you. It started at the age of 4, where I saw my brother always kicking the ball in the gravel at our yard. It was a big yard, so we could be able to kick the ball as much as possible as we liked before it was extended, of course, to being that house that it is right now. And then that's where the love of football grew. That's when now things started to mean more in the sense of me going to the grounds and seeing them playing at a very small pitch. There was a small pitch next to our neighborhood. They would play 4 poles and they would actually come with money, and then money would
50 cent,
money takes everything. Yeah, that's where I saw my brother. The love of football grew. He taught me football, and then he was a giant, and that's that made me
the original TLP.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So that made me fall in love with football. And he taught me football, he gave me football, and that's when I started to then play football. That's where they saw me at school playing for Mini World Cup. Your likes of Dr. Kumalo coming and shaking our hands. You know, the Mini World Cup. No, I was already at Rulish Primary School at that time.
Primary?
Yeah, it was still primary.
From a primary, and then?
Yeah, obviously, at the age of 5. That's where I started to then love football. But for the young ones in that space, it's just a nurturing of that stage, whereby you nurture them. It's grassroots development, building a bright future prospect for the young ones in the sense of building a good space so that they can be able to then adhere.
Yeah. And then from Lapone, we are cooler. And you also played for Highlands Park. So, Highlands Park, Mike Bona, firstly, ikubona kuphi uthi okay nangu umuntu esimfunayo bodlalela yiphi team, which position, and if ungakhumbula what year which position, and bakubona kuphi?
I think it was 2011, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, after the World Cup.
Yeah, after the World Cup.
I think it was Boshalulile, Mvala, Max Munyai, Given Msimango, Ileo generation leyo at that time.
Yes.
Or even I played with that guy, we call him Timaria, Ungozi.
Yeah, Ungozi.
Yeah, I played with Ungozi.
Yeah, that was the time. Yeah, that was the time.
Yeah.
The likes of Tiki, you had Shoes as well in the mix. So 2011, that's where I went back to football because I had stopped playing football.
Okay.
You know, football can make you feel a little bit different. So I stepped back a bit from football, and then I went back to football. I played for Winter Roses before. Of course, I went to Uniao. Winter Roses is a club in my neighborhood. That's when Ryder Mufukeng saw me. He took me to a team out in Brixton where Stars of Africa was training.
The Stars of Africa is Farouk Khan.
Yes, that's where we started to play friendly matches. We toured around SA, Bloemfontein, Free State, you know, Durban.
Playing friendlies.
That's where they were looking at me, you know, and after that, I went to Uniao. That's when after Ebenezer, you know, Brixton, Ebenezer, I went to Uniao after playing for Uniao. Then Roger Dissar came in and he shook my hand and he told me, good games, you know. And then that's when Highlands Park then spotted me and then took me to their facility out in Modderfontein. That's when I started training, and the rest was history.
So Mofia Highlands Park, you're playing for under 15, 17 or 21? DDC. Level now?
No, actually I started playing in the SAB League. They had an SAB League team.
Okay.
That's where I started to gain.
Pirates,
Yes, Pele Pirates. That's when I started to gain momentum. They saw me fit to play as a defending 6, a defensive midfielder. Nduli type. And that's when they took me in. I didn't have a long spell.
Okay.
Then after just a short spell there with the likes of Ungozi, Mbala, I took an initiative to then focus on my footballing career on the analysis side of things.
Yeah. Okay. So, and then what's the Pagu
2016.
2016.
Yeah, that's when Discovery Walter Sisulu Soccer Challenge, knownly as Walter Sisulu Soccer Challenge right now.
Yeah, let's see. I think it's Discover.
Yeah, Discover.
Yeah, Discover.
It's
Discover. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then from there, it Discover. So you analyze about when you coming, or you were still like playing football.
I was still playing football,
okay,
but then I went into that space to then at least show my capabilities and the talent that I do possess.
Yeah,
and that's when they gave me a platform. And a brother who is very close to me called Tabiso didn't know my name at that time, and he then gave me this name, Englishman.
Okay.
That's where Englishman comes from.
Oh, okay. From I want to mind.
Yeah.
Football side si cover it.
Yes.
Asikale from ukalenge commentary or kalenge analyzer first.
I started by analyzing.
Analyzing.
Yeah.
Analyzing games. So for umuntu angazi ukuanalyze ama game into enjani, if unga educator uZulu ona osase high school or osase primary ofuna ukwenza i-football analysis or whatever analysis, but ngicela umsizo when it comes to football analysis, ungamguide kanjani umtshela ukuthi Zulu le uya analyze, this is called analyzing, this is called being a tactical staff, this is called being coaching, because I think listen to different zone.
Well, analyzing a game is very different to then coaching and then giving tactics, because you look at the major key factors into the game, whereby there's a lot of major moments that take place in the game. There is the final third, there is the heart of midfield, there is of course the defensive side of things, whereby you look at on how they build from the back, whereas the coach can tell you he wants ball rotation, whilst even in analysis you can say ball rotation, but it's the build-up from the back to the connecting of the dots. That's where you can be able to then sit him down and say he needs to know what the player has already done in the game, what ground is covered, the percentages that he has covered, how many passes that he has already made, and was it an effective pass going forward? Was it a very dangerous and deadly pass? Was it a defensive splitting pass, unlocking that defense and making sure that they can unsettle that defensive third and dominate the midfield battle and have a little bit of stability and mobility, whereas when you look at the coaching side, it's more of the aggression side of things, rather than, of course, having that authority and stamping their authority and dictating the pace of the game. So if he wants to be an analyst, he needs to look at the major key factors of football, whereby what made the team to score, how it made the team to score, and how did they concede as well, and those are the loopholes, because coaching and analysis is similar, but analysis is more deeper, because you look at the major key factors of football.
Well, because of so we can name like 4 or 5 names. We have Thomas Mlambo, we have Teko Mdise, we have Portia Mdise, we have Amanda, we have Zulu, the coach, Simpre Zulu. We have Andile Ngube, we have Vusiwe Ngobo. I think he will analyze her. On the Ibo Espapet, sports. Yeah, banning Remitaitas, the late Pumlanim CB. So, Joe can Pumlanim CB for a reason. Pumlanim CB was the analyzer.
And he was a presenter.
And the comments. And they also do the same thing. Jeng and I like same. Analysis, commentary, presenting. So mfethu uhleza be analyzer kumnandi yonke into iyaflowa i-commentary ngiqala ukwazi nge-commentary, if not mistaken, after lockdown masiqeda ukuvula ama-tournament ke sesikhona ukudlala. Firstly mina ngikwazi ngebhola because I used to play with you. I'm a 5-a-side most. I played with you, I played against you. Ngadlala futhi na ku zone 14. I think beku captain between wena no number 7. So I played with you. Okay, cool. Ngiyakubheka mina I'm a defender ne. So when I play like ngiyana like okay this guy udlala ibhola ngendlela yakhe, so umuntu ukuthi masihlala na ufuna udetector igame. So most of the time ngikubona udetect ukuthi okay asigijimeni. Usigijimise uthi no. manje sizo relax ke usihlalise yabo the way dlala ngakhona like I was like okay damn this guy hey so ayakhe lo muntu kanti ubani ukabona modlala lo muntu first time futhi ubani le hleza oh okay sharp isikhathi isivayo and then we meet futhi again on another life now I'm doing photography angisadlala ibhola and then when I saw a commentator so I was like how this guy udlala ibhola mara saya commentator so why comment after the success you had when it comes to football play and then after the success you had for analyze why comment
now you're taking me to the personal side of things
like why I would like to know like why une success clean kanje ne record lakho clean good player awuna ma red card Philip Lama una le red card indoda
yeah man well when we go to not picking up red cards it's the discipline side of very disciplined you don't let your emotions to get better but on the personal side of things why we then let go of football
says why
it's because my family were going through a very very tough time and we had to choose and the choice was family is very very close and when family needs you at times some decisions that you make for the family it comes back and hits you hard because you would have been something much more greater but at the same time you need to also see that your family needs you, you know, and my family needed me at that time and I had to look out for my nephew and he's all grown up now and I'm happy that he's doing very well academically and he's part of one of the most biggest debates in South Africa right now, coming out of the top 5 at Maponya Mall, doing his debate at school and he's very very aggressive as well, just like myself and his mother and that's me and my family, that's how we are, but I had to look out for my family, hence I stopped, but the hidden talents then started to show.
So kahle sacrifice football ukuthi uzokhona
take care of my family. To make sure that my little niece can be able to be taken care of. At that time there was nothing that we could do, so I took the initiative to say, you know what, I'll take good care of him. Whilst I'm taking good care of him, I'll look at other ventures, then and be able to also open up other spaces because God gave me a lot of gifts and talents. And
what about points into the 7 ngelanga? Unozohlula into eziyi2. Please.
So one being that I'm also a drummist. I can play drums as well.
At church, at church you feel guys the first opportunity.
So I started very young as well as a drummist. So that's how things have unfolded in one's life. That's why we had to step away from football, but we didn't step away as such because we would train, we would still play in the dusty streets. A couple of tournaments that I would still play in major tournaments. They would give me a run. They know my
squad.
That's something which will not go out of my system as yet. Being the person that I am. Whenever I get a chance, I do go play. But for now, it's analysis, whereby we took it from the grassroots development, and then Vision View came in, which is in partnership with Super Sports. That's when I started doing live games as well, doing analysis for the likes of Orlando Pirates right now at Orlando Stadium as well.
Kuma live games, okay. Last day I was watching football. I think I text or I gave you a call. Music it was Baba Rankok. I was like,
shout outs to him as well.
Kwani saying what uyishilo that saying, and then I show namalinko later it's Arch. I was like, uhleza like how uhleza
Yeah, I was giving analysis. I was analyzing a game and he was hearing what I was saying. So he spoke on what I was saying, and that's what happened in the game.
Ngeke mfethu yangena moseza mfethu. Or songenile mfethu just isikhathi. Yeah. Mfethu uNkulunkulu akubusise mfethu. So ngicela ukubuza when it comes to football commentary abobani abantu bowuthi uma babheka when it comes to commentary one day because wonke umuntu une-inspiration une idol ukuthi mangafana noZulu khona umuntu mebosho ngathana leZulu maybe wabona noma udlalo yazi ukuthi yazi mangangena yabona mina ngithanda uNduli like angikho good when it comes to defenders plate mina like yabona like all defenders uyamakho uyakhaba uyaphasa kuphela so manje mangibheka uNduli I'm like this guy ushaya box to box wow. So when ubani bowuthi uma umbheka ukuthi yazini community side this guy standard sakhe mangafika kuleso standard nami ngidlulele ngiyami indlela.
On the analytic side of things,
he's
up road. He's no longer giving analysis. The former coach of Tottenham Hotspur, Andy Townsend. That's an analyst that I used to liken and listen to in terms of commentary up road. Peter Drury. As well as Jim Beglin.
Jim Yamas.
Jim Beglin, Peter Drury. Those were the people that I looked up to. Coming back here at home, Mark Gleason.
Mark mfethu bowuthi mobukele ayikhumbula idabi ke ngizokukhumbuza plaza ukhoza. Koruma Shamayite ngekhanda M108. Koruma Shamayite ngekhanda. Defender bengiphethe uMasilela on my left. On my right bengiphethe uGaxa. I4 and 5 it was there. 4 in Mathoe Scooping it was George Shilibisi, Josh Maluleke, Mandla Masango, Shabalala, Solonyane, then striker Katle Khotshila Mphele.
Yes.
You remember that game?
Kuzabe was the goalkeeper.
Kuzabe goalkeeper. Ukhune bekane injalo. Ukwinika bengisamkhulu successful Macheki.
Yes.
Yeah, ngiphethe no Lucky Khune, Evans Rusike. Yabona. So Mark mfethu. Mark.
Yeah. He had a phenomenal commentary on that game. And when there's two of them actually. It's Mark Gleason and Sizwe Mabena.
Mfethu Sizwe ngimkhothene kumkhosa mfethu. Eish, taka ukhubuza Sizwe. No
Sizwe Mabena. On the Venex side of things, he's doing a fantastic job right now. I'm really liking what he's doing. I'm loving each and every aspect that is giving towards the Venex side of things for the upcoming vernacular commentators as well. In Zulu, you've got the one and only Reggie Ndlovu. Mapensela. He's been fantastic, I'm not going to lie. And then you do have the two, of course, Sutu commentators in Arnold Rankoko as well as Baba Mteto.
Mfethu. Ilist yakho hayi. Iyo. Ilist yethu sonke so why. Abafethu inesikriseni kwaKhona Broadcast Live ngisahleli nohleza sisaselana Afghanistan yalibona mfethu uliphumile likhipha umkhovetsheni we are chopping it up bafethu usually do this on a Thursday namhlanje Friday lwesihlanu sibusisekile sipholile sifaka amashoti seDurban masiphumalane awuthami so azingicela ukwenzani kunilahlele emgwaqweni nibeze ukuthi bathini ngekasi football bathini ngecommentary inesikriseni kwaKhona Broadcast Live njazami sise-Afghanistan Parks sikhuluma ngekasi football on my right ngiphethe bani uthami kamubani uPloma basi bathina le wena uthami izinja wena le ndoda maphosa ngaphi kamubani uthami Sister, izinja bafethu. Okay bafana ngicela ukubuza so ikasi football negame ngibona ngathi niphume ejinini. Ngidlala ibhola bafethu. Igame labani? Yona sebenza ukubuza nje. Ngizobuza ama question nje i5 yakusinte ebhaya ngithola. Bafethu ikasi ubani oshaya English commentary ngicabanga.
Ovya.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Wena ngicabanga.
Ovya.
Wena kwalitho scope. Ubani? Uhleza. Yeah.
Ovya simkhulu ba.
Umkhulu ne. Ubheki outcome ne. Usha kanjani ugawu? Phela mina suke ngekho sinenile.
Nami kazi yalifika makana
Yeah.
ngesingisi.
Uyagibelayo ne.
Ayasha.
Uyashaya. Okay. Wena outcome since kune English comments ekhasi ne. Into enjani for ukubuilda kanjani? Mose ground ine outcome vele ishaya itayela zeni.
Afire kai motivation kai na yacho. Yakali into lokuthi landa labantu.
Landa labantu ne.
Landa labantu.
Yeah. Hayi. Kodwa wena yini ukusistana baba? Manje angithi okay. Ngaya mo play 5 asekaswancanywayo awuthamba. 5 aside.
Ubuza umuntu owo.
No. Ubani? 5 awuthamba. Focus. 5. Stop sana ngathi zonke into 5. Ngaya 5.
Nami yona.
Bestele.
Yeah.
Section.
Yeah.
Shila mola.
Yeah.
Vamos de MC.
Vamos de MC.
Le man khwetsi ya.
Ubani?
Hayi. Le man
Yeah.
Miniola.
Nominion.
Miniola.
Uyachaza into zampeka azini ke. Ngicela nje nishayele into e1 nithi in the streets of Gaqweni broadcast live Afghanistan Park. Is. Nibambila ngithi in the streets of Gaqweni. Awe yayibamba. Yeah. Thank you zinja zami. Afghanistan, hayi lifestyle. Afghanistan ikunosi sekasleni. I-TV mina ngiletha kini bafethu. Yeah, ngicela Scopes. Do the honors. Yeah, so ngiyanginosi shasona. Sisina camera. Yeah. Shy from. Shy now.
Sure. Afghanistan. Wathi trip emgaqweni. Afghanistan ngizwe.
Thank you. Thank you mfethu yabo. Awe. Ngesikhathi emgaqweni broadcast live sase Afghanistan Park on my right ngisaphethe uhleza Mr English Mathebula sasela. Khambani mputo mdala. Khuluma nami.
To be quite honest,
yeah.
I really am grateful and appreciative for the invite on
Yeah,
the Immaculate Sensational show, and I hope that the viewers at home are also enjoying your shows.
Baya, that's no more bani la.
Yeah, man.
La phela mfethu mina ngena isonto ngena epostoli la ihlephula isinkwa ndoda. Yeah. Hayi. No, eyami it's old. I-12 it's isgubhu. Yeah, isgubhu and then it's slap and tape and then it's us old. We bike shaya izandla. That's it. I-white, go white team. Yeah. So putwa manje ke ne sizongena sangenelela kini. Sangena. Asibambi next.
Yeah.
Yonke into nje wena ubambile sayidedela. Yeah, putwa mdala. Usebenze ema-tournamentini amabhayi.
Sorry, pardon me about that. I hope they're not going to be very, very deep questions or any personal ones.
Yeah. Kusama question personal. And nakhona azini enye into azifuna ukwenzani. Usually the show like is to educate.
Yeah.
So siyafundisa mfethu. Last bekuze i-guest only, so we were trying like to educate.
Okay.
When it comes to music. So namanje when it comes to football mele intwana si-educate because lento boy isikuthi ligotshwa vele semanzi.
Yeah.
So nathi sifuna ukuyilungisa from ama grassroots lento le. Mase ifika le ifike seyigrand. But maybe in a month to attend a tournament 7 to 10 if I make a mistake. In a month. If you have a good run, you can run like 12. Mangi pega, use Gino, use D, use Tata, use Mafanta, use CC, use Orlando, use Tembis, use usually. You're doing your commentary, you're analyzing or you're coaching. Manje, sizongena on a tournament site, ne? I'm a tournament organizers. Ulapha hleza ngiyafona hleza I'm doing a tournament. Ngicela uze no uze namaroto nizosiza sifuna commentary, you gonna do English, they gonna do Venek. Okay, sharp niyeza. Uhleza uyafika shaya Spani namaroto shaya Spani but ni book different la ngithi. Yeah. Uhlezi uyeza yashaya Spani. Yini ama challenges owafaceayo during the tournament isadlala and after the tournament mayiqeda ukuphela?
At first the challenges were us getting to the grounds. having that income to sustain us for the duration of the tournament.
Yeah.
That's the major, factor and major key problem that really occurred when it started.
Yeah.
And we weren't accumulating the right type of income from it. Whereas, of course, we were just trying to build a brand, build a platform for ourselves to then get to the top flight and be recognized when it comes to giving live games, because that's the dream, that's the purpose, because we want to take care of our families as well.
Yeah.
Whereas the tournament organizers would see us as just entertainers, as people who would entertain the crowd, who would then just be there just for backup, because it wouldn't be nice to just have a tournament without any commentators or anybody just giving entertainment,
And abantu makunjalo abadonseki, like
Yeah.
crowd is
Yeah, the crowd doesn't come, hence on its own it makes life a bit very difficult, because you're worrying about money to get to the ground, money to go back home, food as well. They're making a lot of money. Let's not be optimistic about it. That's the generalism of tournaments. They're making a lot of money.
Yeah.
Every team that is putting money in there with the type of sponsors that they do have, other money that is coming in is going to the side.
Yeah.
That's the main truth.
Yeah.
And you put something on the table, you tell them, I want 2.5, I want 3.5, I want 4.5 for the duration of the tournament. Even in that 4.5, probably I can have something of me then taking money and transporting myself.
1,000 because of you need to Uber.
I need to make my means. That's what I've been doing right now. It's you giving me transportation money and paying me my services as well, because I'm not just coming there to just give commentary for you. Whilst I'm also building a profile for myself, I'm entertaining the fans, and it's a talent which God gave me. So those are the difficulties that we normally face, where the money sometimes doesn't come. Our invoices take time to reflect. People telling you that they'll pay you on Monday, they don't pay you the full amount as well, but you still work because it's the passion behind. The passion takes you to another level, which way then you have to just go on for yourself.
And obviously, more uphumile endlini yosebenza endlini bazi ukuthi okay this person uyasebenza nani mayebuya emsebenzini kumele athenge impuphu, if you expect ukuthi okay umalume noma nje angipha noma itawa just ngineteki ngilithandayo ngilibonile neskipa lesiyas se-PSG engisibonile, so izinto ezinjalo akusi black tax man, it's like you provide for family either way singakhona we build like that ukuthi uyindoda so you wanna provide. So mawuza ku-tournament ubuye mfethu nenkinga endlini bathi abakazi bashaya wawungayeki lento wawungafuna umsebenzi umsebenzi eShoprite njengozulu.
Well, for me at first to be quite honest, it was you're no longer spending time with us, what's going on, like each and every weekend you're away. And I'm like, to be quite frank, if I am not doing what I'm doing right now, then I'm not going to be able to save up as much money as I can, with the little that we do get. And right now with the freelancing that I do get, I'm not called consecutively in doing live games, and it depends on the live games that we are doing, and I'm just freelancing right now, trying to get into the data system so that I can be able to then get a permanent contract for ourselves. So but in all essence, they would say, the person that I was with, of course, before we parted ways. She would tell me that and say, hey, what's going on? I'm no longer spending time with us. You're no longer going to where we were going before. We're no longer going out. What's going on? And I'm saying,
dating,
you know, I'm trying to balance the equation, yeah, so that whenever you need something, whenever, you know, just provide for the family, you know, and that's what the Word of God does say, you know. A man should provide, and it's natural in the sense of the man providing. Only, of course, these days there's a lot of assumptions on our social media platforms. The society, of course, also saying that women should also, you know, also play a part. It's a 50-50 type of a situation. Let alone then it tells you of a different perspective because we have to provide. So I try to move away a bit from what I was doing every weekend. I would then not be booked timely and spend time with the family, and then now it was complaints that you're spending time at home now. What's going on? You know, so I don't know what they really want. You know? So those are the things that do come. You know, we are human. We are not perfect. We have our flaws, and I mean, I always say that practice does not make perfect, but practice makes for improvement, because that's what we are trying to do. Once you practice, you get to improve in whatever job that you're doing. You know, you see a lot of people working. It's either a plumber or a builder or somebody who's playing football. Cristiano right now, Messi, you've got Mbappe. They train so that they can be able to improve. You know, so practice makes for improvement. That's what I always say, rather than practice makes perfect, because there's no one who's perfect. We all got our flaws, and others with all their flaws, you know, pay their dues. So that's the only problematic factor that we do suffer. So for me, that's what happened. I wasn't spending time with the family, and that's how things then unfolded.
So okay. Leo, I think it was on the family side. So if I finance in fact, when it comes to going to the tournament, reflecting in, I won't mention the name of the tournament. I'm not helping you. But uyenzile uguide wenze ngakhona abantu bayazi beyidlala sisi. I broadcast it live mina. Ngaza ne team yami as usual. We worked tournament success, but when it comes to payment, reflection, this and that type of bank bekasebenzisa akasenda imali sibanibani like bekuzinto ezibhambe. So I was like, if akumelanga ngokubuza, akusemuntu ongakubuza leyo nto, but since ku platform yami sifuna ukusiza lento leyo ukuthi indoda singabhadalwa siwenzile umsebenzi, singayigwema kanjani thina? Kumele send deposit or avela send the full amount before the tournament. Ufike wenza umsebenzi uzihambele yekini. Simple.
Don't work. That's the slogan right now. Don't work. You can be as desperate as much as possible. Value yourself. That's the most important factor. Once you value yourself, yes, it will be hard. At times you will be hard to accept that you need to have money, you need to pay bills, you need to have something that comes into the house. But if it's not making you happy and you know that you are working at that time and you are not happy about what's happening, okay, that's me right now. I'm just giving insights and advice to a lot of people. At times you need to make sure before you hold that mic or start the job, you need to make sure that I'm not gonna work before I get the deposit, I get the money in my bank account, or either cash send or whichever way of payment that you're going to be making.
Thanks, sorry, I wanna le fight cash send ne. Eish, bengikhuluma noKabelo. Yazi kwenzakaleni ne? Ugaya usende cash send ne.
Oh yes.
Into engizokuthi into engizokuthi ngisebenze. Sebenza. Ya reverse cash send ne. Bro wami. Le cash send le sisendela umama kaPanti kaShona. Sejabula more. Imamzu solo sikhiphele le mali sathi 200. Bethu imamzu athi uyathi mayifikela yini 3 times lento ayenza. Uganya mtshela mfethu imali le ayenza izwa thina amfana nkariki sendetse muthu umuntu.
which is not the truth.
And I'm like, yo, mfethu. Thumela umuntu omdala.
Yes.
Yabona. But it's life mfethu. Angeke simgayi platform meleze la zosikhulumela. Izinto azenzayo ebantwini nakithi but your my challenges like I think is our face. That's why bengithi kuwe like singayigwema kanjani lento leyo.
Yeah.
Yabona like sibagama insights abantu ufike uthi like umuntu uyakubona no ugoye kahle uthi uthi imali tournament akazi ukuthi unama side hustle owayenzayo.
Yeah.
Yabona so from now mfethu uthi asebenze.
Now you must certainly put it on the table that guys, in order for me to get paid, unless if you're going to a tournament where they've treated you very well, they won't disappoint you. Even if they say
thank he's got ngaya anytime
at any given point, at any given point that once they say that the money is gonna reflect tomorrow, then it reflects. They won't dilly-dally about anything. But other than that, if you're working with the people that have done something to not pay you before you work, you just tell them, I need my money up front. I can go to Vision View right now. When I do my invoices, I know for a fact that probably might reflect after 2-3 days of the first days of the month. But overall, the money is going to reflect after all.
Ngiyakuzwa bhuti omdala. Lana ke manje sizoyivala kamnandi ngecoaching but before singena coaching bengithanda nje sidlala igame. La kule game sibiza ngepick and choose ngeEnglish ngezulu bathi show phezu kweshow. You only choose one. So because of it's you sizoyiqala ngecommentary side.
You putting me
you only choose one. So between ubaba Mthetho ne no Reginald Ndlovu when it comes to comments ubani kumele asale sishiya bani.
I'll give it to, I call him Mr. Iconic. Baba Mthetho has been phenomenal. I'll give it to him.
Uyosalayo. Okay. Between Baba Rankonko no the late Phumlani Msibi.
This guy is putting me under the bus.
Oyi-one. Okay, as I sense
kanjani? At home, I mean, you're watching, right?
Based on your personal experience between the two of them, I think the eyes were much easier for you.
That's a difficult one, this one.
One. Ungasabi mkhulu, one mkhulu. I wanna lega kabaphumlani ne ngiya understand no Baba Rankonko. Ithi ngibaleke kancane sizobuya. Between uJulia Novusiwe Ngcobo when it comes to the analyzing side uVusiwe noJulia or okay asifake uDludlu Simphiwe Dludlu Novusiwe Ngcobo analyzing side commentary so
I'll give it to Ngcobo.
You give it to Ngcobo?
Yeah.
Why if I may ask?
No, I'll give it to Ngcobo.
To Ngcobo?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's fine. Okay, like us, between Amaroto, uJosta Dladla noMbasha, Omupho Ngamthatha. Kubo boyi-2, ukhetha abantu oyi-1. Uthi okay, uzosho ukuthi why wena ke?
No, I'm not gonna say why. No.
No. Angifuna bayi-chest, no ke-chest stage.
No. Okay. There's no chesting.
Yeah, but wena ungathatha abantu oyi-1. uJosta, uJD Dladla, uMbasha, uPushy Phishi.
I'll take Josta.
You'll take Josta?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll take Josta?
Yeah, I'll take Josta.
Okay. Yeah, khona le question esazobuya kuyo ne.
Yeah.
Let's do like this. Ngifuna le convo iphele mfethu. UTumi ushabalala ne. Yamaza ngithi.
Oh, PlayStation.
Yeah, PlayStation.
Yes.
No shakes. Ubani ungakwinela game. Difficult game. Niyalidwa it's 1-0. We are coaching uMdagasi. We only left with one sub. Ngaphandle uphethe uShakes, uphethe uTumi. You only left with one sub. Nidlala against uLukhile neBanlead. It's 1-0. It's a discovery. It's a final. Udinga umuntu ozongena egamini abe ne-impact akulungisele igame lakho. Kuthi nithathe le angazi let's say it's 130,000.
Yeah.
Which play olifakayo?
Karabo Shakes Mkhabela all day.
Nazo. Ayikishe abe ngizokuhlafuna. bengizokuhlafuna uthando.
Karabo 6
Yeah.
all day.
Blackberry and Squama, same situation again. Who coach?
I'll give it to Kola Ninkala. Yeah, I'll bring on Ninkala.
I think no Nkalo versatile njenga now. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give it
Between sharp, ne? Prime sharp.
Okay.
Prime sharp.
Yeah.
Prime. And Thabo Marese. Prime sharp. Like the original, the sheriff in town. Which lang funex, Stina Nota.
He's gonna.
Prime way too. Prime.
He's gonna.
Prime sharp. Prime Thabo Marese.
Sharp. You know I love you.
Yeah.
You know I do. But I'll give it to Thabo Marese on this one. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Razor plate uzwinele.
Yeah, I'll give it to Thabo Marese.
Okay, before siyivala, ngicela siyivala ngorile. Nomduma ne-debate I think imele iphele.
Re lebogile Mofokeng.
Ekarile?
Yeah. Yeah, re lebogile Mofokeng.
Zwane uTito.
Themba Zwane.
Zwane.
Yeah.
Pitso Kevin Hans. Coaching.
Pitso Msimane.
Owen Dakama. Owen. Ish. I kill a legend for Owen. Owen. Okay, Owen, damn. Okay, let's do like this, ne? Steven Pienaar of Farouk Khan is Stars of Africa and Midas. Which team Oyaguyo and why? Una 15, ufuna i-team ezokufaka. Uya ku Steven Pienaar, ku Midas, or uya ku Stars of Africa, ku Farouk Khan. Yiphi team ezohleza umuntu ocontrol isigubhu ezuyaya yeah njenge nickname yakho ezuyaya ezuthore siya kuphi
we go to Stars of Africa.
We going to Stars?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we going there. No problem. Sihleza manje ke sesayivala ke. Sayivala kokugcina. Rankonko nophumlani Msibi. Awayiphendula. Wona uphendula le yakudedela phuto omntana.
May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Phumlani Msibi. And I know he's also played a major big factor in the world of sports.
Fair.
As well as the media space.
Yeah.
But this is a difficult one, eh?
Oyiwani. Orungukia kwathatha wethu. I can't hleza.
No, it's a tie on this one.
It's a tie.
Can for me,
Yeah.
the show, for you guys,
Yeah.
can we have a tie at least on this?
Nah,
just for these two.
Yeah, just for these two. I think it's fair because they played a major role go foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so putamne when it comes to life in generally which one will you choose? Ungakhetha ukuthi abantu bakuthande noma bakusabe, love or fear. Just nje umuntu ukuthi azini ngcono abantu bangithanda nokuthi umuntu angisabe. Ungazikhethela yiphi wena butwami?
So between the two,
between love and fear, which one will you choose? Who's okay isihleza mina? Just love me, man. Or let's do like this: love or loyalty. Love or loyalty. Ufuna umuntu abe loyal kuwe or akuthanda?
Nah, let them be loyal to you.
Babe loyal ne?
Yeah, please.
Ngoba uthanda think in expiring date.
Yeah, please. I know we love people. Yes, it's one of the most important, things.
Yeah.
Also, the Word of God does emphasize on it and gives emphasis in the book of Corinthians 13.
Yeah.
Love is kind, love is patient. It does not envy. But at the end of the day, your loyalty shows me a very, very different aspect. I'm not a believer of astrology in terms of the signs of your Aries, your Pisces, your Geminis.
Yeah.
I've seen that my birthday falls under Aries sign, and for an Aries, we go for loyalty. You give me loyalty, you won me.
Ngiyabonga butana. Sekaqedwe but okay, isho sesayivala manje ukugcina ngicela ungayi starting 11 sakho sebafana all time bafana starting 11 esizokuthatha sokudlalela i-World Cup all time. You can mix. Let's do like this. You mix the players, the young, the old, and the mid generation. You're starting 11. You are going to the World Cup already. You have qualified. Only starting 11. Ungilahlele ngamasapa 5 ngaphandle. Only.
I'll go for.
Okay, so Kala from E1, which is a goalkeeper.
Yeah, definitely. That's where I was starting. I'll go for Brian Spider Baloyi on goals.
1. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll go for him.
Yeah.
He's definitely one goalkeeper that has done an immaculate job.
Okay, Spider. Okay, abanga Spider. Brian Baloyi. Brian Baloyi. Because last khuluma ngama-coach, ama-nickname wepower laba fethu. Yeah. E2, your right back and your left back. You can mix. You can have your Masilela, you can have your Punch Masinamela, your Mayela.
This guy is running away. He's running away out of.
Which generation?
He played in the 1996 FIFA World Cup. He was a fullback, a left back.
Yo, I
think Mdawu, if I'm not mistaken. I still stand to be corrected. Mdawu.
Okay.
That's my left back.
Your right
my
back.
centre back.
Oh, okay, you're pairing you. But 4 and 5.
Yeah, my 2 centre backs will be the former Kaizer Chiefs captain and the former African Cup of Nations World Cup winner.
Yeah.
African Cup of Nations
winner. Yeah, AFCON. Yeah.
AFCON. Neil Tovey.
1.
Yeah. And my right back.
Yeah.
I'll go with Khuliso Mudau.
Saila.
Yeah.
VIP.
Yeah, I'll go with
I'll find VIP.
Yes. And my centre back, unfortunately, there were a lot of centre backs in our time that were phenomenal. You Lucas Radebes, ne?
1.
But I'll go with Mbegezeli.
The TLP ikhanga bathini ikhanga emuva ekhanga phambili.
Yeah.
Ameli campaign namhlanje. And then let's kupini si enka ngobani u1 and then siyatheka ngobani and then ama flank wethu ayi2 sipusha ngabobani ema winging.
I'll have Eric Tinkler.
Oh, awuthambe. And not yakhiya. Awesome CCC ya enka.
Yeah.
Okay, sa enka ngoni Tinkler. Nice.
I'll have Temba Mshishizwane.
The great Kabal.
And who's this guy?
Who? Mike Mamos.
As a trio in the heart of midfield.
Yeah.
Who's this guy? I'm forgetting him. We'll come back to him.
Okay.
My left wing will be Simpiwe Shabalala.
Nice.
Yeah, that's my winger. And my right wing, I'll have
Mandla.
Nah.
Bia. Thabo. All the Thabos. Thabo Kalinga, Thabo Rakhali, Thabo Matlava.
They didn't have a long spell. Bafana.
Okay. We have Bennett. Paka strike.
I'll have Helmen Mkelele on my right. That's
Nate
who I
Man.
have. Yeah, Helmen Mkelele. And then up front, did an immaculate job with this individual, I'm telling you.
You have uzodlala nga 2 strikers wabeka kanje noma ungabeka kanje?
No. I only have 1 striker. That's my system and pattern.
Yeah.
I'll have the coach of Kenya, Denny Makati.
In a 16?
Yeah.
Okay. From there, siyangena ngithi.
Yeah.
Simnandi.
Yeah.
Siyabuya nani indondo. Sibuya nani le World Cup.
We coming back.
Usho kanje?
We definitely are coming.
Ngizokupha esampa hayi. Sizoshaya kupha ku2, part 2.
Alright.
So buyanisa. So uhleza uya coach manje coach Lukilendi ngikubonile benginawe kuZikode then wangishiya wahamba wakhothi kungishiya kuZikode. Wangishiya nje bengithi ngiyokusupporta kuma semi-final. So uhleza ubhizi ngani coaching. Yeah, what else?
Most certainly that's another gift of mine that the Lord has given me in terms of coaching.
Yeah.
Started it last year in December
nice.
when we were playing Mahlobo. Unfortunately, we bowed out in the group stages. We went to Protea Zaza. I wasn't fully much on the team when we went to Tata. We also bowed out in the last 16.
Yeah.
But the next year, that's when we went to Tsalanang Easter Games.
Tsalanang, yeah.
That's when.
Tsalanang,
Tsalanang
yeah.
Easter Games.
Story for another day. Usebenzile naye ubhuti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when we were there for the whole duration of the tournament.
Yeah.
Before that, we took a top 8, and we coaching Lucky Land, phenomenal team, phenomenal players.
We
went on. It was
No, it's Teko.
No, Teko's not there.
Teko Galaxy, ne?
Yeah, Galaxy. Yeah.
So abo bana bada
Gwenza, Ronaldo, Boja.
Which section are you guys coaching together?
He just came now.
Radio.
Radio
just came now.
He's my assistant right now currently. We went to Tsalanang Easter Games. That's when I was crowned the coach of the tournament. It was my first tournament. We went all the way to win it. Then after that, we went in the Val. We won the top 32. We came back. We won the top 8 out in Shawela. We went to the Shaga pre-games out in Protea. We reached the final, and we weren't able to finish the final because of Mother Nature. It was dark. We shared the money, and we went on to then play out in Mafanta. Before Mafanta, we went to Zamazama. Zamazama top 64. That's when we reached the final again. And after that, we went to Zigote. We bowed out in the semi-final. We were playing out at Palm Reach, Ward 58 games. We went out in the semi-finals yet again. We're going back to the drawing board. The Magia Beirut games are coming up, top 32. We are preparing for it. And we are preparing for the Swazi Inn, top 24 out in Tembisa at Ivory MA7. That's where we are going, and then after that we're preparing for Mahlobo, we're preparing for Tata games as well. My coaching, career started last year. That's when I took the reins over Lucky Land. That's the mandate that we possessed. We went to 5 finals. We've only lost just 1 out of the 5 finals that we've already played. So that's a big record for us, and we're looking to most certainly carry on.
Now he's a coach, So uzowayenza ma lessons, uzowathina ma workshop.
Yes, most definitely. I'm dealing with them right now, and that's what I'm undergoing in terms of my CAF licenses, my C licenses, and as well as
already.
Yeah, everything is going to be intact.
Nice, but ngikufisela okuhle mfethu uyazi. Na ngithanda i-Black Excellence. Makuwina wena nami ngizowina. Into engithandayo ukuthi makuwina oza kwethu ngikubona ngikhula phambi kwakho even though umdala kimi ngazange ngathi umntwana.
Yeah, mase.
All the time noma ngenze uyangibanga ukuthi ntwana yami.
Buya ngane.
Buya relax. Nasipoleni because ngithanda ukubona ukuthi dog. There's no reason to be fighting. Ngiyeke ngicheck dribble yakuhlula ngiyeke. Check your side.
Yeah.
If yakuhlula thatha umarezo umlethe ngapha.
Sure.
If yakuhlula thatha ushap umbeke. So like I think like coaching akubona lapho this guy uboni I think wonke umuntu odlala midfielder if awukhona ukuanalyze igame ulibone ngendlela yakho then ungadlali da.
Yes.
Ungadlali da. Ngifuna ukumention igama lomuntu but Ox man Ngichama kuphasa i7.
He's actually a good player.
Yeah, I understand man.
Yeah, he's a sensation.
And like Stellenbosch, I feel like I'm a player Stellenbosch. Angelo are good, but who angaka that Ox. Shama kuphasa i7 in a game. I'm like,
well, it happens as a midfielder to then have those back passes. Also, it helps the team to then build the ball and take the ball. Overall, he's not such a bad player for me. He's a fantastic player. It's just that at times the decision making, you'd find him then losing and giving the ball away in critical and crucial moments of the game. That's whereby a lot of people. But in terms of being aggressive, the defensive side of things, whereby he tackles the ball very well, he wins the ball in crucial areas. For me, he's doing a phenomenal job. It's just that he hasn't been able to connect the dots as much as possible as he would love to. But for me, exceptional player.
Yeah, but ngiyabonga bengicela usho ama-social media handles wakho batshela ukuthi utholakala kuphi sesibatshela ukuthi uzobe ubusy ama-tournament wamentionile yeah so bengicela nje batshela ukuthi uhleza wakamathebula on IG, on Facebook, on Twitter, on nama phone number if for mind maybe if bazofuna ukubooka for a comment.
I'm gonna say my numbers and then all of a sudden I'm gonna get DMs of another nature, so I don't think we should.
I think lelo siyashela hini bangakubooka under mina lelo angimine. So guys bafuna ukumbooka just text me bafethu nakuma comment kama le tournament nani ngizokupha ama number ami and then uzoza naye manje size i-deposit soyisendile mangakayisenda size asadlali kanjalo.
So on my socials I'm simply Hleza Mathebula on Facebook, on Instagram IG I'm simply Mathebula Hleza, and on Twitter I'm Hleza_Mathebula, and on TikTok I'm @Hlez @MMM. That's where you can most certainly interact and be able to follow me. That's who I am in my social space.
Phutha Mtala ngiyabonga. Usifake kahle angazi ungasikhipha ngezwi or ufuna ukusikhipha kanjani mina nje ngizoshaya outro wena ufuna ukusikhipha kanjani kahle kahle ishow yakho yonke into ingawe namhlanje yonke into ingawe.
As we go through the midfield, as we go through that back four, we know that Streets in the corner is doing a fantastic job. Mkonti. And I tell you for one, that tells you of a different perspective view because it's a brilliant pass out wide, cut infield, and it's inside the box, and it's a phenomenal finish. And that tells you of a different perspective view. It's all about who wants it more, all about that work ethic, that desire, and that say never die attitude. It's who wants it more. When you know the know, you know how to know, because the know will let you know. Now that you know the know has made you know. If there is pressure.
Injalo bafethu umlungu omnyama in the Christian Kalkoni broadcast live still go by the name of King kodwa kakhulu inkunzi malanga onke intombi zamshila ededela Mr Shop phezulu kwenye mangivelezela bathi khaphuhle bayakhafulela manje zokugcwalisela Afghanistan Park hlephulile isinkwa ngiphethe Mr English uhleza bafethu nibe nosuku oluhle. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment lapho ukuthi nifuna bani ezokushow mawune story ufuna ukuzoshare nathi ungasaba bafethu. You call me, you text me, yonke into ikhona lapha ku link description injalo bafethu in the Christian Kalkoni broadcast live. Siyabonga, have a nice day. Sibonge futhi.